Mr. Kola, I'm very proud of you. I want you to know I am very proud of you. We spoke yesterday, and I'm very happy about what you did with the Makueni MCAs. And I'm asking all regional commissioners in this room and the county commissioners, that is how we are going to operate. In cases where MCAs and all manner of quangles are interfering with what we are doing in the education sector, arrest them. And let's take them to, yes, let's take them before a magistrate so that the magistrate will read the law for them. Because we have lived with some of this backward behavior for too long, and people think that is how we are supposed to live. Just imagine for a moment, if today MCAs and some people are telling us who is going to be a principal in a school, tomorrow they will tell us who's going to be the OCS and OSPD. Then tomorrow they will tell us who will be the county commissioner. Then they will choose the regional commissioner. What kind of country is that? It will not happen in this country. They need to understand that, and they need to get it loud and clear. It will not happen. All public servants, wherever they are, which constitution do they read? Even if they read it upside down, they will understand that you have to serve anywhere in this country. Just pause for a minute. How primitive do we want to be? I mean, Kenyans are being elected in Australia to be senators. And some guy in some corner of the country is worried about a principal who doesn't come from his village. How can we have Kenyans being told to go back? Go back where?